Hello, my name is Taylor Elwood at magicalexperiments.com, and I'm going to give you a status update on Neuro-SpaceTime magic and also tell you a bit about my upcoming trip to Pantheacon and just talk a little bit about magic in general. So I'm really excited. Tomorrow I am going to Pantheacon. Actually, I guess by the time you see it, it'll be today. I'll be at Pantheacon and I will be doing a workshop on movement and internal work and magic and how all three fit together. And I'm really excited about it because it's an opportunity to talk about some of the concepts that I've been writing about in Neuro-SpaceTime magic, specifically in Chapter 6. I've actually been working on Chapter 6 right now. I was working on it yesterday, and it's coming along really well. I'm really excited about it. All the chapters right now are in first draft mode, the ones that have been written, so that means that I've had a reader look over them and give some feedback, but really it hasn't been looked at as of yet beyond that. I'm really excited though. The book is coming along and I'm hoping to have it finished up sometime by this summer. Maybe even late spring if all things continue to go well. My goal would be to have it published in time for the Esoteric Book Conference. Whether that happens or not is going to be a little bit up in the air. It depends on the editor I get and all that, but I'm definitely going to plan on having it out by this time again next year. I'm really excited about this book. It represents my work with concepts of identity and how they relate to magic, but it also is an update to space-time magic and inner alchemy. And I think that it'll definitely be a mind-blower. I'm actually also working on a second book called The Process of Magic. It's an anatomical exploration of how magic works, how the process works. And that's coming along really well too. It's something that my wife Kat suggested to me. I've been teaching a class on magical experiments, and she said, as I was teaching it one day, she said afterwards, you should write a book about what it is that you're teaching them. And so that's what I'm doing. I'm putting together a book, which is just an anatomical exploration of magic and how it works. So I'm really excited about that as well. And again, my hope is to have that out this year, which would be really good because I haven't put out a new book in a couple of years. So it'd be really nice to get a couple of them out, kind of make up for the last year or so. In general, I'd have to say that I'm really happy with where my magical work and experimentation is going. I'm reading a lot of really interesting books, I'm doing some very interesting experimentation, and it's an exciting time. And I'm looking forward to continuing to share that with you, both via my blog at magicalexperiments.com, via my books, and of course via the opportunities that I get to present at conferences, as well as through these videos. So I want to thank you for watching, and I hope all of you are doing well, and thank you very much for being fans of Magical Experiments and of my work. I really appreciate it. Thanks and have a wonderful day.